Right? Okay.
No, that's
Okay, you show me how it's done.
This is my circle, and
Okay.
this is Daddy's circle.
Okay. All
No,
right.
you stand over here.
Okay, I'll stand over
You
here.
can take that ball.
Okay.
See?
I can take this ball.
That's a happy face ball.
It's a happy face.
This is a basketball one.
Okay.
This is the flag football, and this is the flag baseball.
Or is that right? I didn't know that.
And
Okay.
then when I put it in the basket, we will not put it in the basket. Mama put the camera up. Mommy put the camera up.
Yeah, she did. Now
Dia, you're such a great coach. Can you show everyone one more time how you play this? Show slowly.
Yeah. Yeah.
You have to jump.
Oh.
Ah.
And then you get it out of from the chair.
Okay.
Otherwise, the lion might put the ball in the mouth.
So the lion might take you?
He might put it in the mouth, just like the alligator.
Or just like the alligator took Happy's ball?
Yeah.
So the lion might take the ball. The lion there? I don't see any lion over there. Hmm? Oh, wow.
Mommy,
Yes.
you have to put your finger in the
Oh, you
ball.
have to just put it with your hand all the way inside.
Put your finger in, and then put your finger out, and then throw it to Daddy.
Oh, is that how you do it?
Yeah, throw it to somebody else.
Okay.
And then who jumped, who did it? Thank you, Dad.